Autopay can save you time, unless it quietly triggers fees. Automatic bill pay is just permission for a company to charge you, not a promise you'll never be late. If the draft happens after the due date, you can still get late fees, and if your balance is short, overdraft fees still hit. The risk gets bigger when several autopays land on the same day and stack charges fast. Autopay also doesn't prevent fraud, so you still have to monitor. The real key is a cash flow buffer. Before you set anything up, decide whether you want pull or push payments, because the control is different. A pull payment means the biller takes money from your account, which fits variable bills like utilities, but it can surprise your balance. A push payment means you send a set amount from your bank, which works best for fixed bills like rent. Either way, confirm how cancellation timing works, since some need days of notice. Also check stop payment fees and what dispute protections apply. Autopay works best when you design the calendar around your paycheck, not the bill's default date. If you can, line due dates up right after paydays and move weekend due dates earlier so you don't get caught by timing rules. Remember, ACH transfers, the standard bank-to-bank system, often take 1 to 3 business days to fully process. A small cash cushion, even $100 to $300, prevents tiny timing gaps from turning into fees. Avoid back-to-back autopays and know your overdraft price, which is often around $35 per item. The setup isn't done until you've proven it works once and built guardrails. Save the confirmation email or reference number because it's your receipt if something goes wrong. Then watch the first draft closely to confirm the amount and the date match what you intended. Turn on low balance alerts and payment alerts so you get warned before money leaves. Those alerts help you avoid fee stacking, where one shortage triggers multiple charges. And anytime you change accounts, cards, or bill amounts, update Autopay immediately. Autopay is a system you maintain, not a set and forget button, especially when life changes. For variable bills, consider autopaying the minimum due, then pay the extra manually so a surprise high bill doesn't drain your account. If a card expires, update it everywhere, because one missed update can trigger late fees. When your balance is low, stop new drafts to avoid an overdraft chain reaction. If you switch banks, move autopays first, then close the old account. And when traveling, add backstops like alerts and a cushion. If you're hit with a $35 overdraft fee, 2 autopays can cost you $70 fast. BankingHub helps you compare accounts based on how you actually bank and shows the real dollar impact for your balance. Free, takes 2 minutes, no login or credit check. Links in the description.